In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an expense category in FreshBooks. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer to the platform, managing your expenses is key to maintaining a clear financial picture, and adding new expense categories helps you organize and track every penny. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the FreshBooks website. You can easily find it by performing a quick Google search or by entering the URL directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the FreshBooks homepage, the next step is to locate and click on the Log In button. This is typically situated at the top right corner of the page, making it easy for users to access their accounts. After clicking Log In, you will be prompted to enter your account credentials. Enter your username and password to access your FreshBooks dashboard. If you're worried about forgetting your login details, consider using a password manager for convenience and security. Once you're logged in and you're on the FreshBooks dashboard, your next move is to locate the Expenses tab. This tab is crucial as it encompasses all your financial transactions that you've previously logged. A simple click on Expenses will take you directly to the page where all your expenses are listed and managed. Now, to add a new expense, look for the New Expense button. This is often prominently displayed, often right on the expenses page itself, making it easy for users to add new entries with ease. Upon clicking it, you will be directed to a new screen where you can enter the details of your expense. Here comes the part where you add the new category, which is what you're focusing on today. You will find a field where you can type in the name of the new category you wish to create. Be sure to choose a clear and descriptive name that accurately reflects the nature of the expenses that will be categorized here. This name will help streamline your financial reporting and analysis in the future. Once you've typed in your desired name, you'll need to add it to your account. Do this by clicking on the plus sign that appears under the field you've just typed in. This action effectively creates and saves the new category within your account. Following this, you'll need to choose an appropriate expense type from the available options. Selecting the correct type is crucial, as it ensures better categorization and alignment with your overall financial strategy. After selecting the expense type, click Save to store your settings. Finally, you'll want to return to the Add Category option. Here, verify that your new category has been successfully added by checking the list. You should now see it displayed among your other categories, ready to use in organizing your expenses better than before. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding an expense category in FreshBooks. Don't forget to regularly check and update your expense categories to keep your financial records accurate and up to date. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping!